Tai Chi versus Qigong. What's the difference? That's a common question that I've gotten since we've announced the beginning of our Qigong classes here at More for Life. And in this video, I'm going to answer the questions: what is the difference between Tai Chi and Qigong? What are the health benefits of each? And which one is better, especially for beginners? Now, if you find this video helpful, give it a like or thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you can get notified of our other future videos. So first of all, what is the difference between Tai Chi and Qigong? They're both ancient practices that were formed from China, and they're really actually pretty closely related. Tai Chi originated 700 to 1500 years ago based on the source you look at, and it's really a sub-classification of Qigong. Qigong, on the other hand, dates back 3,000 to 5,000 years, and it's really kind of a more holistic categorization. So what are the health benefits of Tai Chi and Qigong? Tai Chi is helpful for improving balance, improving flexibility, improving stress. It's helpful for improving circulation. And if you look at the benefits of Qigong, they're really pretty much the same. It's helpful for improving balance. It's helpful for improving strength. It's helpful for decreasing stress, just having a better mental state, and improving your immune system. So if you see the benefits of Tai Chi are focused a little bit more on the physical, and the benefits of Qigong are also physical, but also a little bit more holistic. And that's really because Qigong is more encompassing than Tai Chi. Qigong has three main sort of forms of practice, and underneath each of those there's sub-practices. So there's medical Qigong, which is primarily what we focus on in our classes here. There's spiritual Qigong, which are focused not so much on the physical, but more on the emotional or the spiritual side of things. And then there's martial Qigong, which is more like the martial arts, and Tai Chi is a sub-classification of the martial type of Qigong. So in Tai Chi, movements are flowing, they're kind of linked together, and it's more of a moving meditation, kind of where you're present in the moment, you're doing the movements in a flowing state, but you're not really thinking about any specific thing. In Qigong, contrarily, it's usually done stationarily, it's slow rhythmic movements, and it's always done with some intent, whether that be a physical intent like a pain, an organ system, or an emotion. You're always doing it with the purpose of something and focusing on some intent when you're doing Qigong. So which one is better for beginners? Well, Qigong, as I said before, is done usually stationary. It is single movements that are done rhythmically or repeatedly, versus Tai Chi. Tai Chi sort of strings those movements together into more of a flowing form, or like you would see in a martial art. And that makes Qigong really probably better for beginners because it's easier to learn. It doesn't require as much practice to learn and perfect the forms, and then to be able to perform them in a flowing way that looks easy, kind of like an athlete performing. It takes them hours and years to practice and make it look so easy when they're competing. So it's first helpful to learn Qigong and just learn some of the more singular movements before you start to string them together. Qigong requires a little less balance than Tai Chi, which again makes it better for beginners. So if you'd like to learn a little bit more about Qigong and how it may be helpful for you, whether you feel out of balance in your physical health or you're stressed and you just like to improve your mental state of well-being, click on the button below this video and it'll take you to a page where you can find out more about our Qigong workshops and classes and how you can get registered for one of those. And again, if you found this video helpful, give it a like or thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you can get notified of our other future videos. Thanks for listening and have a great day.